This video covers creating ArcPy operator in ADAS Imagine Spatial Modeler. As part of interoperability, ArcPy scripts can be added as operators in Spatial Model Editor, which enables the user to leverage the strengths of both packages, that is, ADAS Imagine and ArcGIS in a model. Let's go through an example of ArcPy operator random points generation in ADAS Imagine Spatial Modeler. Random points generation operator creates random points inside polygon features or along polyline features depending on the type of input feature. To create such an operator, first a JSON file has to be defined. As a prerequisite, ensure that ArcPy operator folder is created under personal directory of the user for saving the files. The JSON file consists of 3 sections. The first section defines the operator name and its display name. The second section defines all the input ports to be added. And the third section defines the output ports to be added. Each port has at least 2 attributes called name and data type. Under input ports, the first port is for input features, second port is for output point features, third port is for points to be considered as constant value. Fourth port is for attribute field as variable, and fifth port is for attribute fields to be added from input features. Under output ports, there is only one port which is for output point features. Next, a Python script file needs to be created. The file must contain a function named smarcpy function. This function takes 2 input arguments, inputs and outputs. Both are of dictionary type, which consists of name and value pairs. For each pair, name represents port name and value represents port value of the operator. For instance, value of inputs with the named feature file is the input feature file path specified for feature file port. After getting all the necessary values from input argument, we call ArcPy's createRandomPoints function to generate the point output file. Here, if point number field port is empty, point number constant port can be used as the number of points to be considered per polygon feature. Otherwise, attribute value can be used for point number field port as the number of points to be considered in that feature. Further, ArcPy's join field function is used to join the selected attributes from the input features with the generated point features. Finally, set the outputs argument and return with it. The remaining code below handles the exception that might occur while the operator is run in the spatial model editor. The JSON file Python file should be saved under ArcPy operators folder. Now let us see how to use the operator created. For loading the operator created, select Reload User Operator under Share Group of Spatial Modeler tab. As it's seen, the random points generation operator is populated under ArcPy category. Now let's use this operator to create a point file. Here the continental US state shapefile specified as input features and the random points are created inside each state based on its population in millions. For state with less than 1 million population, 1 point will be generated. Next, open the shapefile in ADAS Imagine 2D viewer and open its attribute table. Using ADAS Imagine vector editing tools, attribute field with name POPINMI can be added, which represents the population in million. And formula tool can be used to assign values to the new attributes. Similarly, customized ArcPy operators can be created and used for a workflow within Spatial Modeler.